Great Gatsby end of book test. The first section is on the characters that were in the story. Your choices is number 1, Gatsby, number 2, Nick, number 3, Tom, number 4, Daisy. Your choices: Daisy's husband, Nick's cousin, women with who Gatsby was in love, his car ran over Myrtle, our narrator, Gatsby's neighbor. Next section. Your choices are Jordan Baker, Meyer Wolfsheim, Myrtle Wilson, Klipspringer. Your choices for answers are business associate of Gatsby, the boarder plays piano, Nick has a short affair with her, and Tom's girlfriend. And this is what it looks like when you do it. I don't know what it looks like on your end, but next set of characters, we have Henry Gatz, we have James Gatz, George Wilson, and Dan Cody. Your answers are J. Gatsby's real name, the man that taught Gatsby to be rich, Gatsby's father, and the man that killed Gatsby. Those are your characters. Now, multiple choice. From where did the narrator come and why? From France to establish a vineyard in New York. From the South to start a new life. From the Midwest to study the bond business. Who plays the piano at Gatsby's? Tom, Wolfsheim, Klipspringer. How is Gatsby initially introduced in the novel? He is mentioned in the conversation between Nick and Jordan. Later, Nick sees him on the lawn in the moonlight. Nick meets him at a party. Everyone talks about him at a party, but no one sees him. Nick later sees him with Daisy. What are the eyes of Dr. T.J. Eckelberg? Seeing eye dogs that train doctors for the Association for the Blind, an illustration on a billboard, a new kind of contact lens that the doctor has just developed. Wolfsheim's cufflinks are made of ivory, human molars, gold. Why does J. Gatsby throw these large parties? He has many friends. He wants to be popular. He is hoping that one day Daisy will attend. What is the difference between West Egg and East Egg? West Egg is old money and East Egg is new money. West Egg is new money and East Egg is old money. East Egg is made up of old, aging school teachers. Who kills Myrtle Wilson? Tom, Gatsby, or Daisy? What is the primary reason that James Gatz becomes J. Gatsby? He liked the power that came from having lots of money. He wanted to be rich so that Daisy would love him. He owed Wolfsheim tons of money. What does the green light signify? Money, greed, or hope? Next section is true, false. The accident occurred in Manhattan, New York. True or false? Tom and Daisy lived in West Egg. True or false? Gatsby had a big party for Nick for his birthday. True or false? Gatsby always acted as the DJ at his parties. True or false? Jay Gatsby made his living as a bootlegger, selling liquor illegally. True or false? Dan Cody was Gatsby's mentor. True or false? Gatsby killed Myrtle to get back at Tom. True or false? Tom killed Gatsby for having an affair with Daisy. True or false? The heat, temperature, weather was used as an indicator of stress or tension in the book. True or false? Gatsby and Daisy get married at the end of the book and move into Daisy's mansion. True or false? That is the end. Check your answers and submit. The writing section is next.